excuse me, I've got a really old corroded P-trap. As you can see, I've already changed out shut off, but right back here, you can see it's corroding out, and I've got a lot of cracking here, and it's leaking really bad, so I need to get this out of there. Change this to a PVC P-trap, but the challenge is, how do you connect this up? And like I said, I run into this quite a bit. So today I'm going to show you how you properly connect this up, because once I cut that, there's not actually going to be any threads to connect to. So let's go ahead and get this cut, and let's get this out of there. Not really that hard. So to start here, what I want to do is I want to cut this back to where it's not corroded. So I can see right here. So I'm going to try to cut just this piece, the actual chrome PVC. I'm going to just try to cut this off. So I'll get that cut back. And now I got the old trap out, but not too difficult here. Clean up what you can. If you have a file, you can run a file across that, kind of get the sharp edges out. So we got some sharp edges. Go ahead and sand those down where you can, but we want to get that corroded part out. Then we can put a Fenco coupling on there. It might take a little work to get it on there, but we can get it on there, tighten it down. We got something to secure to, so that it's not going to move. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so for this, I just have a rubber coupling here. And this PVC adapter. And I will link to all these in the description. If you have a better way to do this and you think there's a better option, just let me know in the comment section below. But this is kind of the way I do it. Now, it may take a little bit of effort to get that on, maybe not, but push this back here like that. That wasn't too bad. And just... Now, if I just throw this over the top, I'm going to have water that catches back there. So I'm actually going to cut this back a little bit more. So it gives me a little bit more room to connect up here. Coupling here. Now we just tighten this down. There, as you can see, it's on pretty tight now. Should be good. Now we can go ahead and connect up our P-trap. So for our P-trap, we're just using a basic 1 1/4. I've got to set the vanity. So let's get the vanity set, and then I'll show you how we get this done. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my P-trap in. A lot of these have a rubber gasket here that can sit on top, which is fine. You can leave that, or you can also put a little bit of silicone on there as well. That'll help a little bit. I don't put a lot. Just a little bit, just gives a little bit of extra. Now for our drain here, this guy is going to screw on. Go ahead and get it on there tight, because that washer is going to connect up there. Now let's dry fit our P-trap here. Yeah, it's a little tight. That's okay. We're just dry fitting right now. Cut this back. Okay. Now I just got a PVC cutter here. I'm going to get that tight, and then I want to turn it like this. That way I don't crack the PVC. Just like to turn it like that, and it scores it. And then, nice cut. It's still cracked a little bit anyways, but get that where I need it to be. That may not even be far enough back yet. Okay, I think that's far enough. It's always good to have an extra extension with you, because you're probably going to need to cut it. You're going to need more. So just secure that down, not tight. And there you go. That's really all there is to it. Pretty easy connection in the back to make. Yeah, that's pretty much it.